Maneuvering roundabouts has been a major challenge for most people learning how to drive in the UK. In this video, I will teach you how I passed maneuver my roundabouts in one sitting. I also teach you on how to maneuver and pass your roundabout test during your practical test in just one sitting. If you find this video interesting, please don't fail to like and subscribe for more videos. Let's dive into it now. Types of roundabouts. We have different kinds of roundabouts in the UK. We have the one of 2 lanes, 3 lanes, complex roundabouts, busy roundabouts, as the case may be. Not all roundabouts in the UK look alike. They have different inlet and outlets, different inlet and exits, different types. But the most likely ones you'll be taking to during your practical test is the one that has this 2-lane entry and the 3-lane entry. I'm not saying that you should not study this complex one, but you should lay more emphasis on this 2-lane and this 3-lane roundabouts, because I don't think any vigilator want to take you to a roundabout where you have roundabout where you have complex roundabout where a lot of cars are moving, very complex and all that for your practical test. All right, so put more emphasis on these 3-lane and the 2-lane roundabout. Now, what are the signs to show that you're approaching a roundabout? There are some signs to show you're approaching a roundabout. Now we have these signs. We have this red triangle showing the arrow moving around that shows that okay, you're approaching a roundabout. You have this one, your Sheffield Stockport, they're showing the kind of roundabout you're approaching. Please look out for the roundabout by your left hand corner beside the road as you're approaching every roundabout, because as you're approaching, the invigilator, the examiner will tell you that okay, you're exiting in the second exit or the third exit or the fourth exit, as the case may be. So please look out for the roundabout and to know where the first or second or third exits are in the roundabout. Now let's go to the next one. We have how to maneuver a roundabout. This is where most people find it difficult how to maneuver, go through the roundabouts. Now we have this roundabout now for this tutorial. We're using this 2-lane and 3-lane roundabout. When you're entering this kind of roundabout, if you're exiting the roundabout before the 12 o'clock mark, please be on your left lane. Please, I repeat, be on your left lane. Don't be on your right lane. But if you're exiting the roundabout after 12 o'clock, be on your right lane. Because if you go on the opposite, you might likely have a minor. And by the time you accumulate your minor, you might end up failing your practical test. So if you're exiting the roundabout before the 12 o'clock mark, be on the left. If you're exiting before the 12, after the 12 o'clock mark, be on your right. Okay? Let me show you what I mean by this with this example. Now, this roundabout has exit 1, exit 2, exit 3, exit 4. The first 3 exit comes before the 12 o'clock. So you must be on your left lane. Please don't be on your right lane because it has 3 exits. Therefore, you must be no. You must be on your left lane since it comes before 12 o'clock. Okay, but if you're leaving this roundabout after 12 o'clock, you can stay on your right lane while exiting. All right, we have this kind of roundabout. This type has the second exit after 12 o'clock. So if you're exiting this roundabout at the first exit, you have to stay on your left lane. When you're exiting this roundabout at the second exit, you have to stay on second lane. Don't say because the second exit is just 2 exits, I must stay on the left lane. No, this is what the examiner wants to know. They want to know if really you know where to position your car when entering the roundabout. So if you have the kind of roundabouts during your practical test and you see that the second exit is after 12 o'clock, please stay on the right lane. Don't stay on the left lane. If you're going the first exit, you can stay on your left. But if you're leaving the roundabout at the second exit, stay on the right lane to enable you don't have a minor or a fail during your practical tests. Okay, let me show you what I mean further.
This is a 2-lane roundabout, and I want to instruct. I want to direct or to show you how you will approach it during your test. You know, in UK we have different kinds of roundabouts. They might not be like this exactly like this, but this video is just to show you what it will look like in your test, in your practical test, right? Yeah. Some roundabout might have some other outlets, maybe somewhere around here, or somewhere around here, somewhere around here, or somewhere around here, as the case may be. But for the purpose of this tutorial, this lesson, I want to show you the basic roundabouts so that you will not get that confused. Because I don't think any examiner will take you to a multiple roundabout for your test. You understand? So let's go. Now, when you approach, this is your car. When you approach this roundabout like this, if you're going to the road that is before 12 o'clock, which is this, 12 o'clock, this is 9 o'clock, this is 3 o'clock, before 12 o'clock, this is your car here. You start like this. Make sure you be on the left lane. If you're going to the road before 12 o'clock here, make sure you be on your left lane. You come, this is your car, you come like this, you go this way. If you're going to this first exit, you enter through here. If you're going to the second exit, you enter through here. Okay, now, but if you're going to the road after 12 o'clock, please don't be on the left lane. Please, I repeat, don't be on the left lane. Be on this right lane. This is your car, for example. You're going this way. When you get to this junction, check if there are cars coming by your right. If you see that there is no car coming, it's free for you to go, it's safe for you to go, you proceed. Don't go this way, please. No, go this way. Enter this lane. Go like this. When you get to this point, the exit before the one you will exit, please check your left mirror, check your rear mirror, the up one, then signal. When you signal, you come this way, you now exit. Please make sure you exit on the first lane, if possible. If not possible, you can exit through this one, but make sure you exit from the first lane. Okay? About um, you watch out the sign from your left, your right. As you can see from the signpost, this signpost here, and that there's a roundabout close. I'm going the second exit by my left. That's where I'm going to. So you have to wait for traffic to move. Then we proceed. Please watch very well. I'm leaving the roundabout, the second exit by my left before 12 o'clock. So which lane will I go to? Just watch the lane. I have to be on my left lane because I'm leaving the second exit, second lane by my left, second exit by my left. You stay on it. See? Then you leave. Okay? Yeah, that's how to leave. I'll take it to another roundabout. I'm approaching a roundabout where I'll be taking the um the third exit. So I'll have to be on my right lane because the traffic light is on. I have to wait. I'm taking the third exit of the roundabout. So I have to be on my right lane. The third exit is after 12 o'clock, as you can see the roundabout. The third, this is 1, 2, 3. The third one is at my right, and it is the after 12 o'clock, so I have to be on my right lane. I'm leaving the roundabout at the third exit, so I have to be on my right lane because it is after 12 o'clock. Now I proceed. I have to be on the, see the market on the floor, stay on this lane, you maneuver this way, Yeah, you wait for the traffic light to allow you to proceed. Now I proceed. Right? Yeah.
Note that passing a practical driving test doesn't only depend on watching a video. Watching videos are very, very important prior to your practical tests, but they also take notes on going to the road with your instructor or anybody that's teaching you how to drive. Make sure you practice what you've learned on the video. If possible, go through this video again, study my previous videos on how to pass your practical tests in the UK, study them very well, watch them and watch them again, then go onto the road with your instructor or your anybody that's teaching you how to drive and put them into practice. I'll be bringing more videos on different things you have to know during and after you've passed your practical test. Please don't fail to like, subscribe for more important videos. See you next video.